Gotta come up and down more. It's not going to clear. The tail shaft's clearing, but this shifter's not going to clear.
True.
My own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
Hello, Brandy. Are you grumpy? Why are you grumpy? What are we going to do today, Brandy?
Put the motor in the Sunbeam, I think.
What?
We're gonna try to put the motor in the Sunbeam.
Okay. You sound so excited. It's not even that cold. So, the Mustang is back on 93 octane because trying to get E85 in the winter, I'm just not about it. So as Brandy said, we're going over to her parents' house to help them with the Sunbeam. We got the motor running yesterday. They had an issue with the distributor. It wasn't getting the spark, so that's why we were having trouble getting it running, but it is running. So we're going to try and get the trans on there, the clutch kit, and get the motor and trans in the car. We'll see you guys over there.
Do you like your Mustang?
That's kind of fun. Okay, so we're working on the Sunbeam now. We got the clutch on there. We're gonna center the clutch and then hopefully that'll make the transmission easy to go on there. We have our alignment tool here, which has some different size ends, so you match that up with the input shaft on the trans. So these are the same size. And then slide that guy in there. And that's how you center your clutch.
Not assemble when tired or under the influence of drugs or medication.
Brandy?
Brandy, how many not your father's root beer did you have?
Yeah. 21-year-old alcoholic.
This is really hard.
Where did you put the
In
bolt?
case you've never assembled a dolly before.
Pepper, where did you put the other nut? I hope Dummy didn't eat it. But it's missing.
I can't go that way. Okay.
I want to ride this
And
down
that's why nothing gets done till the guys start working.
I want to ride this down the street. She's the operator.
Bro, it worked. Just need cleaned up.
So after some persuasion, we got the transmission on the motor. We had to tap it on with a hammer once we got it all lined up. We just took a wooden block and a big hammer and tapped it on.
You're only putting the nut on.
Now we're putting the rest of the bell housing bolts in, the starter on, and then once we're done with that, we're gonna lift the motor up on the engine crane here. You gotta take this cross member off for the trans and probably the shifter, and we're gonna put the motor and trans on an angle so we can get it down in the engine bay and where it belongs. Line up the motor mounts here, down in the car.
I need one more. I need one more like that. That'll work.
So this is where the motor mounts line up here.
Like this.
As you can see, well, on the GoPro it looks like we got a lot of room, but there's really not a lot of room to fit that in there. I guess the guys on the forum said not to do it this way.
Here's some nuts.
Pepper, why are you freaking nosing my camera?
I'm short on. I don't have many nuts.
I would clean the parts that are going to be hard to get to.
I'm going to then. I just want to get this a little bit first.
We'll just have to lift the tail end.
Yeah, I got pretty much. Well, that's easy as it's fucking old since we had it. Gotta come over my way a little. Watch your back. Pull this over. Up a little more, Wendy. Okay. I don't think we're gonna get. In? Should I stop and come in?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just a little bit.
Say when.
It's got to come up and down more. It's not going to clear. The tail shaft's clearing, but this shifter's not going to clear.
There we go.
All right, stop.
In?
Hair. A little bit. Good.
Down?
Down. Where are we heading?
Nothing.
Okay.
Enough?
Yes, yes, yes. You gotta go in.
You see where the motor mounts are, right,
Hold
Jack?
on. Hold on. Hold on.
What,
I
Brandon?
stopped.
Well, I don't like all this crap. All right, you're fine.
Ready?
Yep.
Watch this.
That way it don't back off.
Oh, I
Oh.
don't know what.
We're recording.
Sorry.
Oh, we've been recording. I had to make sure we got this on video for that guy that said we couldn't do it this way.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, we're first timers here.
Good luck putting them in. You might need the awl. Here.
I can't even see.
Nope. Go
This
down
one
and shine
needs
the light.
to be
It's a box hole.
Let me see.
So if you shine a light in the back, you'll see the holes.
Just
Okay, but he
me
said
see
it
that.
has to come back.
look, that.
Trust me, they
That.
just fit.
Does this just go straight through this way?
They're not. The holes aren't lined up yet. What are you trying to do?
Feeling.
Oh man, don't put me in it.
You're already in it.
Wait.
Where's my hammer?
I'll keep you out as best I can.
Give me my hammer.
Hold this.
Give me my hammer.
Your thing's falling out.
Yeah, my thing's falling.
What are you hitting?
Mild. It's right there.
I know.
this?
That's what I said. There's no room for error. It fits one way, and that's it.
This has to go down a little bit.
We'll let the jack down. I still
Motor-wise.
have the.
Yeah, let it down a little bit. Can you, Zach?
Please don't yet.
Or is it? No, not yet. Never mind here.
Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed us working on the Sunbeam. If you did, please let me know down in the comments. And if so, we'll do some more videos on the Sunbeam. The next video is probably going to be on some wheels we picked up for the GTI. They're BBS, it looks like BBS LM replicas. Got them real cheap. They kind of look like trash right now, so we're going to clean them up, make them see how good we can make $100 wheels look on the GTI. I wanted to get some wheels for it before H2O, but that didn't happen, so we'll get rid of these stock wheels. Other wheels got some good tires on them, so it'll be ready for winter, even though these should be the winter wheels. But we'll see you guys next time.